Okay, mate, what's next?
This one should be battery holders for 18650 batteries. It's 3.7 volt lithium batteries. So let's open it up.
Open, open, open. I love the sound of that bag popping.
Nope. Ah, there are a few. So we have 2 bags of these. Small ones with a pin underneath, so you can solder it on a PCB. I also got one of the batteries just to test it out a bit.
That's it.
Yeah.
Nice. What do you use it for, actually?
I'm just playing for now. We'll see.
Just to store batteries?
Yeah, no, that's actually to connect different, a couple of batteries like this. And you solder them to like a line or a PCB, and you connect them in a battery pack.
Nice.
And we have 10 of these, so this will hold 10 batteries.
Cool.
Bye.